Mandala quilts offer a unique blend of artistic expression and meditative craftsmanship. These circular designs, rooted in ancient symbolism, have found a new home in the world of quilting. Today, we explore free mandala quilt patterns that will inspire your next project. Our first free pattern is the Mandala Quilt from AGF Studio. Measuring 61 inches square, it makes a striking statement. While it may look complex, the pattern comes with a step-by-step guide to help quilters of all levels succeed. Next, we have the ever-growing Mandala Quilt, also from AGF Studio. This pattern showcases the Trouvaille fabric collection and primarily uses half-square triangle units to create its captivating mandala effect. At 88 inches square, it's a grand centerpiece for any bed. The Cosmos quilt offers a unique twist on the mandala concept. Designed by AGF Studio and featuring Pat Bravo's legendary fabric collection, this quilt employs the Dresden technique. At 46 by 36 inches, it's a bold statement piece that brings life to any room. For those who love gradient effects, Rob Appel's Ombre Mandala Quilt is a perfect choice. This free video tutorial from Man Sewing demonstrates how to use ombre fabrics and special templates to create a stunning two-fabric quilt through fusible applique. The Spring Mandala pattern by AGF Studio captures the rejuvenating spirit of the season. Featuring the Wild Bloom fabric collection by Barry J, this pattern allows quilters to play with a spectrum of colors, creating a joyful centerpiece for their home. Our final free pattern is the Beekeeper Quilt by AGF Studio. Measuring 88 inches square, this quilt draws inspiration from beehives and uses the Honey Fusion fabric collection. Mandala quilts offer a unique opportunity to create something both visually stunning and personally meaningful. Whether you're drawn to vibrant colors, nature-inspired designs, or the meditative process of quilting, these free patterns provide a starting point for your next quilting adventure. For even more mesmerizing mandala quilt patterns, visit ilovequiltingforever.com and find the perfect design to inspire your creativity.